Hey guys, it's Dustin with DashSkin. Today we're working on a 2013 GMC Sierra. We're going to go through the entire install process and show you how to prep the dash so that there's no rattling noises. Check us out on dashskin.com, order before 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, and get free same-day shipping. First, let's prep the dash using degreaser or rubbing alcohol. Next, let's apply the silicone in the same pattern that's specified in the instructions. Any additional silicone that you have, put it on the existing cracks on your dash. That's what will prevent any rattling noises. If you have excessive cracking or excessive holes in your dash, you can add a second tube of silicone to your order on dashskin.com. Now let's carefully place the cover on your dash. You can gently bow it upwards to avoid getting any glue on the A-pillars. After you've carefully laid the cover onto your dash, let's put some wedges up by the windshield and the dash cover. You can fold some cardboard in half and place that up there, or use foam wedges or rags. Next, let's put some weight on the cover. We can use foam books, or we can use reams of paper, or any similar weights. Finally, we can roll the two front windows down and place some wedges like rags or foam pieces between the door and the sides of the cover. Now let's just allow it to cure for a minimum of 4 hours.